Hello friends, let's see the example. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, so let's see LHS. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta and minus 1. I can write this term as sin theta plus cos theta and minus 1. Now use the rationalization. So to use rationalization, we have to multiply sin theta plus cos theta and plus 1. So this is sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Okay. And upon same sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Okay. Now this is what? This is a minus b and this is a plus b. So denominator is sin theta plus cos theta bracket square and minus 1 square is 1. Okay. Now here sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 and sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. So I can write this term as sin theta plus 1 and minus cos theta. Okay. So this is minus cos theta. This is the one term. And here I can write this is sin theta plus 1 and plus cos theta. Okay. Now see here, this is what? Sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta, sin theta plus 1 plus cos theta. This is a minus b and a plus b. So here we can write a square minus b square. So this is sin theta plus 1 bracket square minus b square. B is the cos and its square is cos square of theta upon sin theta plus cos theta its square. So this is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta and plus 2 times sin theta cos theta and minus 1 as it is. Again sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So use this identity. Now here sin theta plus 1 bracket square, let's simplify it. So this is sin square theta plus 1 and plus 2 times sin theta minus cos square of theta upon sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and this is 2 sin theta into cos theta as it is minus 1. Now this one and this one will get cancelled. So denominator is 2 sin theta into cos theta as it is. Now numerator is sin square theta plus 1 and plus 2 sin theta 1 minus cos square of theta. So I can write this one as sin square of theta and plus 2 into sin theta first and this is plus 1 minus cos square of theta. So I can use here again what? Sin square of theta plus cos square of theta is 1. So I can write sin square of theta is 1 minus cos square of theta. So use here. So LHS becomes sin square of theta and plus 2 sin theta and 1 minus cos square of theta is sin square theta upon denominator as it is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So this is what? Sin square theta plus sin square theta is 2 times sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta and plus 2 sin theta upon 2 sin theta cos theta. Now I can cancel out 1 sin theta throughout the numerator and denominator, or we can write 2 sin theta as a common. So remaining term is sin theta plus 1 and upon 2 sin theta into cos theta. So 2 sin theta will get cancelled. So this is 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. So I can write this one as 1 upon cos theta and plus sin theta upon cos theta. This is what? This is sec theta and plus tan theta. But our RHS is what? 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. So what we have to do? We have to take here rationalization. So we can write this one as sec theta plus tan theta into what? Or see here, I can write here. So LHS is sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta and into sec theta minus tan theta, right? So this one can be write as what? Sec square of theta minus tan square of theta upon sec theta minus tan theta. And we know that sec square of theta minus tan square of theta is 1. So this is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. This is our required RHS. So hence we have the result LHS is equals to RHS. This is actually a term sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, thank you.